Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about electrical contacts. So this is the time of the year where sprayers get dug out of the shed, air drills get hooked up, auto steer screens get put back in, all of that kind of stuff. And it's where everybody starts to run into issues. It doesn't seem to matter what color. So just a reminder to you, if you're having trouble with an electrical connection, make sure that you use some kind of electrical contact cleaner. Brake clean works in a pinch, but it's not the best thing. It does have a tendency to do some bad things with some of the different metals that are in some of those contacts. So find an electrical contact cleaner. It doesn't really matter what brand it is. Use that to clean, and then also compressed air works well. So best procedure, blow it out with air, spray it with electrical contact cleaner, and then give it another shot of air to make sure that you discharge anything that the contact cleaner has gotten loose. Dielectric grease, and it's one of those things that gets mixed up at times. It's actually an insulator. So where you would use dielectric grease is on the back of electrical contacts, where you're trying to put a harness together and you have things going in, you know, where you're putting a wire into a pin and it sits there and there may be moisture there. Dielectric grease is a good place there, but it's actually not good in the actual contacts because it will insulate the contacts. It won't make a better contact, it'll make it actually worse. So best thing, electrical contact cleaner, some compressed air, put it back together. 9 times out of 10 that helps you to solve your problem or sort out what is actually causing the problem. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.